Today on Chem Tools, we're going to look at the R10. The R10 is a premium penetrating oil for breaking down rust, to be able to break open the toughest of fasteners or seized up equipment. Made up of a premium mixture of refined low viscosity mineral oil and rust breaking solvents, as well as adding a corrosive inhibitor to stop further corrosion. Your R10 is ideal for lubricating and breaking free those rusted, dry nuts, bolts, locks, hinges, seized bearings. R10 has the ability to be able to penetrate into the narrower spaces in between threads, cracks, and free up those rusted parts. R10 can also be used in marine environments to protect against corrosion and salt spray. Doing all this while it has no adverse effect on rubbers, paintwork, and most plastics. It can be used to stop annoying little squeaks, free up those seized up, rusted parts, and used to free up moving parts that have become difficult to operate due to friction, wear, or corrosion, or while flushing out all the build-up of sludge and grime that has built up over the many years. I gave the R10 an ultimate challenge, taking an old, rusted up cement mixer, which had been sitting out in the weather for close to 10 years, which had well and truly rusted up and seized up all the nuts, bolts, and idler bearings and other moving parts. So I took the challenge with the R10, and we ended up bringing the old cement mixer back to life. There's nothing like a challenge of getting an old rusty piece of equipment and seeing if we can bring it back to life. And there's some pretty seized up nuts and bolts and stuff on here, so look at the R10 and see how we go. A really old flathead screw that's really rusted into this idler bearing, which is also all seized up. So we'll just give it a couple of blows with the R10, let it soak in. Let's see. Look at that. Now our next trick is to see if we can free the idler bearing up. And we've got it turning. Right, I know we're going to pretty extreme measures. Normally you'd rip all this stuff off, throw it straight in the bin and replace it with new. But in situations like this, you borrow something from the neighbour, you don't have new parts and you need to get the job done. Sometimes this is all you've got. And this R10 is proving to be amazing. That idler bearing was rock solid to start with. We're really starting to free that up now. I think we're going to be able to save this. Right, look at that. That idler bearing is spinning again. So that's just the belt tensioner on the old cement mixer. Now this is the most harsh environment that I could find. It's been sitting out in the weather, rusted up. It's only had cement and water and everything else going through it. And we brought it back to life. Righto, it's a moment of truth. There's no guard on here, so we're going to make sure our hands are clear, but you'll be able to see whether it works. Cute little ripper! R10's available in 300 gram aerosol cans, 5 litre drums, and 20 litre drums. So next time you get a job where any old penetrant oil is not going to cut it, turn to the Chem Tools R10 and give it a go. I can guarantee you'll be impressed.